Hello guys, we bought some Honda push mower.
All
It's
of
a
'em
Honda HRN Lawn mower standard today for my
All
job.
of them have a plastic tank, so
That's 1.9 and precision quick release. It's a Honda push mower. Lawn mower. Thank you, love. Oh, this is nice for my job. Yes, it's nice for my job. Smart drive, Honda motor, everything. We're gonna install the push mower.
take it out.
You need a pocket knife? I got pocket knife.
It don't matter. Just need to undo the, take some of it out so it's so heavy.
Oh, you got pocket knife. It's good brand, love. Honda push mower.
We'll find out.
We're gonna try the push mower right now. It's a brand new and we're gonna
Open it.
put it here. Oh, let's see. Oh, I love it. Good. Oh, you got some glow here. Need pocket knife. The lady, it's hot, love. It's melting. Some glue here. There, guys. Gonna assemble it. Got some glue from the heat. It's melting the thing. It's a heavy duty, love.
You can take some of this out to get the weight out.
Okay, guys. Gonna unload the thing. Let's unload the push mower, guys. And assemble right here. Need to put in the ground or here?
Huh?
You're gonna put in the ground? Put in the front porch. It's hot here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it down.
Okay.
What do you want to do? Let that down?
Yeah, let it down.
Okay.
You need the dolly?
I don't know.
Ooh, that's a heavy duty. Big wheels. It's a good mower.
Supposed to be a big wheel on the back.
Let me get the dolly. Or we just pull it. I pull it.
Just drag it.
Okay.
I can't do nothing.
Yeah. Just go. I grab it. I'll drag it. You want dolly?
Dolly in the carport. Stick in the carport.
Okay guys, we're gonna assemble the push mower and get the dolly right here. Right there guys, it's a Honda motor right there. Smart drive and right there. It's a good motor, smart drive. Right there. Just got up my job. Hot weather.
Has it got big wheels
Need to-
in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like big wheels. So I'm gonna get a dolly to load because it's pretty heavy. Right there, carport, the dolly. Okay guys, back. Back when we assemble, we'll take a video. Bye. So right now we're gonna remove it because we mistake. Right there.
Okay.
The bag.
Good enough?
So we're gonna put the
Not yet.
inside.
Not
Did
yet.
you look the instruction? You put inside this one. Need to remove all of them.
I guess.
So it got lost.
We're practicing.
Practicing how to install and how to hook it up and install. Install.
Come down. goes under.
How you go under? Nothing in here. That's my question.
You asked too many questions.
Yeah, suppose right here.
Maybe we got this upside down. Huh?
No. This is supposed outside.
Huh? This on the outside?
Yeah.
So this on the outside?
Yeah.
So it was okay?
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay.
That's what we hope.
Okay. You gotta go that way. There it is. All right.
Look like we post this up. We're getting something here and it keep holding.
Lay down.
Working down. Yes.
Lay down right there. Okay. That look good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, open it up. Open the lid.
So we're gonna open the lid right here.
See that right there?
Yep.
This hooks up on that. No, put your camera down where you can use your hand.
Okay.
This goes right there. Right here.
Okay, right there. Yep. Right here, guys. Right here, guys. That's easy. Right there, you just hook out something.
You just take that out like that.
Yeah, you just pull this up when you want to clear out the wing. Right there. It's ready, and we got the gasoline and oil fill up, finish, and the oil is.
When you stop it, you have to turn this gas off.
Yep, when you stop it,
Right there.
off. So when I stop, we turn off this thing, release the thing.
Huh?
So how if I mow on it, and how I do?
You want to try it?
Yeah, so how if I mow that one, and then if I release that one, I turn off this one, finish.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's got gas. You want open? Turn open.
You have turn on and mow. And if I don't use, I turn it off.
Right.
Okay.
Let's see what happens now.
That's off.
It's on. It's open.
Okay. So we go in the yard.
Always cross is closed.
Okay. Need to go on the grass. We're gonna try the lawnmower. Our new lawnmower. Put in a yard, love. Let's taste how it looks. There, we're gonna taste our Honda GCV 170, guys. It's a push mower. I'm gonna try how it looks. So we already raised up. It's just on the wheel. We are raised up in 2.5. So it's got some mold and.
Oh, what did you like this?
Yeah, my husband. There we try our Honda push mower GCB 170. So that's a release right there if you wanna
I want to stop.
stop and then
This here makes the wheel turn.
okay, make a turn,
That's
turning.
all.
How come it's like smoking?
It's all new, love.
Oh. Oh, that's why it's new. It's like a
I never thought it was new.
because I was worried why it's a. I just curious why it's like got some smoke.
Right?
Yeah, how come this one the oil is leaking, love?
What?
The oil is leaking down here.
Oil?
Yeah.
Turn it, close it.
No, it's already closed. The oil that fill up, it's got some leaking oil. Turn it off.
Where?
Right here. Got some oil leaking on here. It's right here. I don't know why is that. It's right there, but oil. I don't.
Where we put too much oil.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. You have to hold this all the way back here.
Yep. I'm gonna try the push mower.
Fire it up.
Fire it up.
Make sure it ain't in tall grass.
Oh, okay, I'll go on the tall grass right there. Oh, right there.
There. Right here. Right here.
Oh, right there, the grass tall. Testify, turn it on for me. Let me try. So I turn it off. I have to turn it back on. Right there, I was turning it off. On.
Okay. You
Then
have to hold that open.
hold it open. There, I need to press this one.
You don't do nothing. Just hold it right there.
Okay, and then crank it.
You gotta pull it.
Yeah, pull it.
You don't pull it. That's it? You finished?
Yeah, finish. You just, when you want to roll, you just roll the thing and then like this and like this. Okay, that's it. That's a first try on push more. You just, this one, you just, you don't want to use, you just turn up this one. They got some kind here, and when you turn on, you just right there, and then after that, and you're gonna pull this thing, the string, pow, and it on, easy start. And if you want to roll the wheel, you just smash this one. It's a control smart drive, and the wheel roll, and you right there, and then you hold this one when you start. You just crank this one. This is the blade, and you push it, and everything is running. So I got post more. Yeah, pre-love. Thank you, love. Right there, Honda. New machine. It's a robotic Honda